Welcome to another video with www.flatroofwaterproofing.co.za. Inside this column there's a downpipe running from this flat roof. Similarly, there's a flat roof here with a downpipe running inside the wall. The two connect together in a T-piece and they make daylight on the road front. This outlet has been leaking into this column, and hence we've had to damp-proof this column if you've been following us on previous videos. So how do we fix this? Well, you can do a pipe lining inside this existing pipe, but you need to get to the end of the pipe at the bottom of the column to be able to fill it with waterproofing material and then drain it. This is the flat roof, it's really small, and as you can see the outlet in the corner here. So what we do as a foolproof solution is to put a spout in. We cut the existing pipe and we install this new pipe. We will then cut this pipe shorter and make a little gutter system to deliver water to the road front side. The waterproofing would need to run all the way through this new pipe, and the water needs to drip off the waterproofing, not off the pipe. A lot of companies will join the waterproofing at the entrance to the pipe, and then the water sort of enters the pipe, creeps back underneath the waterproofing, because different materials expand and contract at different rates. They're called the coefficients of expansion. And especially heat infused products like the torchon bitumen, when that's used on a plastic material, the plastic deforms and it never stays bonded for very long. So to take the waterproofing all the way through the pipe is the only best way to guarantee that. Make it a great day and follow some further videos.